Welcome to this video, and today's video I will show you how to install guardian wheel and where to install guardian wheel on your Scrambler 400. So let's get into this. So first of all, I'm just going to use zip tie for installing this one, and I'm planning to install over here, the lowest part of the bike. As we know, we have to install at lowest part. So let me show you how I'm doing this. So this is a zip tie, okay, and this is a guardian bell, and you can't buy this by your own. It should be given by your friend or your loved one, okay. It should be the gift, okay. So I have one zip tie, and for double surety I have another zip tie, this one, and for triple surety I have third zip tie. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, installing from here like this way, I hope like this, okay. And now I will put it down, एक ही करके निकालेंगे कैसे लिखिए. So finally I figured it out how to pass this zip tie through this engine guard. So for that you must have this tar like this one. Let me show you. दिख रहा है ऐसा? इसको ऐसा करना. You have to do like this way, okay, and then try to put this thing from here like this, and that is problem. In 2 to 3 attempts you will able to grab this one like this. You can see, hey, like this one, baby. I have put this one, and now I'm checking. This was a really tough task. So now we have all these three. So what I have done is, now I have removed this string over here, because there is a chances that this might get wound up and the wheel will be fall. So I just removed this one, and the reason is, I have saw one video where they mention that when you install over here, it should not touch any metal part of your body, your bike. This is the engine guard, so then it's okay. But if I install over here, if I like this way, so it will keep hitting over here like this. That's why I just put it over here, and for safety purpose I have removed this, whatever we call this thing, okay. So let's try now. ये जो इतनी लंबी स्ट्रिप है, इसको कट कर देंगे. So finally this thing is done. So this is how it's looking now. You can see, just because of wind it's waving. So I think I have did a pretty good job. So if you guys like this video, if this video is helpful for you, please give one thumbs up and comment down below. So thanks for watching, and have a great day guys. I will see you in next one.